In this video, I will show you complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing, as well as I will show you my actual landing page that I'm using right now to generate as many leads as possible. So watch the full video till the end. But before creating a landing page, you need a good product to promote. So first I will show you that which type of product that you can promote. So there are three main evergreen niches, which is health, wealth, and relationship. So you can find a product to promote in these three niches. And why these three niches are evergreen? Because there are always interest and there are always a good product available to promote in these three niches. And there are lots of different marketplaces that you can use to find a product to promote, like a ClickBank, JVZoo, Commission Junction, like that. But if I talk about myself, then right now I'm in a wealth niche, and inside the wealth niche, I'm in a make money online niche. And inside the make money online niche as a sub niche, I'm doing affiliate marketing and especially high ticket affiliate marketing. And right now I'm promoting the product that teaches people how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So the product is called Legendary Marketer, that teaches people how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer, as well as it gives people a great online marketing education. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer because of the two reasons. First, Legendary Marketer gives a great marketing education, as well as Legendary Marketer have a great affiliate program that can allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So right now I'm promoting a Legendary Marketer affiliate program, and in this video I will show you which type of landing page that I'm using to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. So first I will talk about the entire funnel that I'm using to promote landing page. So here you can see the first thing is social media. I'm driving traffic by using a social media like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. So right now I'm creating a short reels in the social media for people who are interested in make money online, or they are interested in affiliate marketing, or they want to start some side hustle. Because I know that the product that I'm promoting right now teaches people how they can make money as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. So that's how I'm creating a reels on the social media to drive traffic to my landing page. And you can see here I'm using the two-page funnel, which is called the bridge page funnel, that have a two pages. First page is a landing page and second page is a bridge page. So I'm driving traffic to my landing page, and the main purpose of my landing page is to capture people's email address who visit my page. And on a landing page I capture people's name and email address, and once they click they go to the other page, which is called the bridge page. And on a bridge page I have a video that gives more information about the product that I'm promoting. And once someone click the button below this video, then they directly go to the sales page of the product that I'm promoting, and once they purchase I'll get a commission. And on a landing page I capture people's email address so I can follow up with them with automated email sequence and remind them the product that I'm promoting. So first I will show you my actual landing page and explain that which component you need to have in your landing page, as well as I will go to the software and show you how to create a landing page. So you can see here this is my landing page, and I'm driving targeted traffic from the reels to this page. And on this page I give my audience a free affiliate marketing case study. So in all of my reels, as a call to action, I give people the free affiliate marketing case study, because I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So in my landing page I give people a free affiliate marketing case study to capture their email address. So the main purpose of the landing page is to capture people's email address who visit your page and bring them into your funnel. So this is the main function of the landing page. So you can see here, first I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals, because I told you before that I'm giving away my free affiliate marketing case study. So my first sentence is free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory, or dealing with customers. So if you are creating a landing page, then you need to have some component in that, like you need to have a strong hook, some type of desire or curiosity, as well as some type of solutions of your audience problem. So in my landing page I only have a one line that have a strong hook, some type of desire and curiosity. So I told my audience that in my free affiliate marketing case study, I reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that we are doing to earn commissions while we are sleeping. So it provides some type of desire or some type of curiosity on my audience, because people have a strong desire to earn more affiliate commissions while they are sleeping. And inside my free affiliate marketing case study, I reveal everything that we are doing inside our affiliate marketing business so that we are earning commissions while we are sleeping. So it provides a strong curiosity inside my audience. And I also have a without statement that if we want to earn commissions while we are sleeping, but for that you don't need any experience, you don't need to create any products, you don't need to carry any inventory or dealing with customers. Because I know that my audience wants to earn more affiliate commissions, but they don't want to do all of these things. So I already remove my audience objection that if you want to earn more affiliate commissions, then you don't need to do all of these things. So now if you are interested, then click here. And once someone click here, I write enter your best email below to receive free case study. So if they want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they need to give me their name and email address. And once they enter the name and email address and click here, then they go to the second page of my funnel, which is called the preach funnel. You can see here, this is the second page, and here I write important. Be sure to watch this full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And in this video, I explain that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I also explain about the product that I am promoting, Legendary Marketer. I talk about that how Legendary Marketer will help you to make money online as a freelance digital marketer. And if you want more information about Legendary Marketer, then click the button below this video. And if I go down, then here I also write, are you ready to finally start a profitable online business challenge? If yes, then click here. And here I also write the CEO of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. He has 8 years of experience and he already sold $200 million of products, and he already teach 300,000 students and 12 million students. So I talk about how Dev Sharp will help you to solve your problem and help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And now if you are ready, then click here. And here I also have a testimonials of people who got the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are making a good money as an affiliate marketer. And here you can see I also post some screenshot of people who are talking about Legendary Marketer, that how Legendary Marketer helped them to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And then if my audience wants more information about Legendary Marketer, then they click here. And once they click here, go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. Here you can see this is the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and here we have a small presentation from the CEO of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. And in this presentation, he will explain everything that my audience will get if they decide to purchase a 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. And if someone watched this presentation and if my audience is interested, then they click here, then they go to the checkout page of Legendary Marketer, and if they purchase a 15-day business builder challenge by $7, then I will get a little $2 commission. So now first I will show you how you can build the same landing page that I built inside the free software. So this is the software that I'm using to create my funnel as well as my email automation. And this is the free software until you have a 2000 email contacts into your list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because on the free plan you will get access of all the tools inside the software until you have a 2000 email subscribers into your list. So if you want to check out this free software, then click the link in the description below. So once you create your account, then you need to go inside the funnel. You can see here I have a lots of funnel pre-built, but if your account is new, then you don't have any of these. So first you need to click on create, and here you can give name to your funnel. So in my case, I just write Legendary Marketer, and here is the domain page. So if you don't integrate your domain, then you will have a free domain name from systeme.io, right? But I already included my domain name. So I click on futurepassiveincome.com, and here you can just click on build an audience and then click on save. So here is the funnel that you just create. So once you click here, you will see there are lots of pre-made templates that you can use to build your landing page. But for now, I just scroll to the bottom and click on the blank template and just click on select. So here this is the first page, which is also called the squeeze page, and you can edit the name here. So I will write the landing page. So this is a URL path. So if you are not using your domain name, then you will have the free domain from systeme.io, and then in the subdomain you can write anything here. So I will write a sample, and don't forget to save. So now we are going to edit the funnel. So you just need to click here on edit page. You can see here this is the blank template, so we don't have anything here. So now I will show you how you can create the same type of landing page by using systeme.io. So first you need to create a headline. So just take the text here, and I will go here and copy the text. Then here you can see this is the text. So here you can change the font as well as the color of the text. So I click here and change the font here, and then I go here and just go a little bit up. Yes, like this. And if you also want to change the background color, then click on the text, click here, and I will select the black color. And now as a text color, I will select the white. Here, free affiliate marketing case study reveals. Now we have another text. So here is the heading text. I just drag this here. So I'll go here, copy this, and here I paste. And if I want to increase the font size, then you can increase it here. And here is the line height. So this looks good. Okay, and if you want to go up, then click here. Then click on padding and go all the way up here. And if you want to change the font, then click on the text, click here, go to web fonts, and here are the lots of fonts that you can use. So I'll go to Google Fonts and click on Roberto here. And if you want to change the color of the specific text, then just highlight it, go here, and I'll select the red one. So now this looks good. And then we have another text. So select the text and drag here. Now I will copy this and paste. And I'll select the text and increase the font size. So now this looks good. And then we have a button. So I will show you how you can add the button into a landing page. So just go to the bottom and click on button and drag it here. So here is the button. So here first you need to go to the show pop-up, and now I will show you how you can create your pop-up. And before that, if you want to increase the width of the button, then click here, and here you can change the text of the button as well. So here I write, yes, I want an instant access now. So just click on the button, and instead of click here, I write, yes, I want an instant access now. And then I will increase the font size here. And if you don't want to add the subtext, then go to the bottom and remove this one. So now this one looks good. And then you can also add the shadow here, and click on hard shadow, and in a style click on solid, and as a color I will select a black, and in a type it's a full border. So you can see we have a shadow in our full border. So now it looks good. Now we need to create a pop-up. So click here on pop-up, add a new pop-up, and you can edit the text here. Here if someone click, then I write enter your best email below to receive free case study. So I copy this and here paste and decrease the font size. Now here if you also want to capture people's first name, then just copy this, and here you can select first name, and here as an email you can write email address. Okay. And now if you want to change the text, then click here, and here you need to select on next step URL and go to the bottom. And if you want to change the font, then you can select here, and if you want to change the button color, then click here and change the button color like this. And here in the button text, here I write, yes, I want an instant access now, and I don't want to add the subtext, so I'll remove here. And here you need to click on this button, and you can see here this is the pop-up, and you need to select the pop-up that we just created. And once you finish this, then don't forget to save changes. And then if you want to preview, then just click here. And I forgot to tell you that just click on the pop-up and view pop-up, and here you need to edit pop-up settings, and open pop-ups automatically. You need to off this one and then click on save changes and then just go to the preview. You can see here this is the preview of the landing page that we just created. So if you want to change anything, then you can go to the editor and change it here. And then if someone click here, then they see the pop-up like this. Once they enter their name and email address and click here, then they go to the other page, which is called the bridge page. Now I will show you how you can build the bridge page. So just click on save changes and go exit. So this is the first page of the funnel that we already created. Then don't forget to click here on save changes. Then here is the second page, which is also called the thank you page or bridge page. So here you can select any pre-made template here. So right now I will select this template. Just click on select and here you can edit the name. I write here thank you page and here in the URL path you can edit the path. Here I write sample thank you and then don't forget to save. And now you need to edit this page. So click here on edit page. So here you can edit the thank you page. And if you don't want to create your own video, then you can only just write a text here. I will show you how you can do this. So here I write, are you ready to finally start a profitable online business? So I copy this. Go to the editor and here I just paste this and you can change the font here and then I write, are you up for the challenge? I copy this, go to the editor and here I paste and I will also copy this, delete this, paste here and I can increase the font size as well. Select this font and here I can increase the font size and here is the button which is already there. So here you need to click on open URL and on a URL you need to add your affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link, so I copy this link and here I paste this link and here you need to select open in a new window and if you want to edit the text then remove this and here I write, yes, I want an instant access now. Now your bridge page is finally done. Then click on save changes and if you want to preview the page, then click here. You can see here this is the preview page and if someone click on the button, then they directly go to the sales page and once they purchase you will get a commission. So this is the thank you page. Then go back to editor and go exit and here click on save changes. Now if you want to see the full funnel, then click here, copy the URL, go to the browser and paste it here. So this is the landing page that we just created and if someone come to this page and they click on yes here and once they enter their name and email address and click here, then they go to the other page. This is the bridge page that we just created and once someone click on the button, then they go to the sales page and once they purchase you will get a commission. So this is the simple 2-page funnel or you can also call the bridge page funnel that we just created. And if you are promoting a different product, then you can create the same type of funnel according to the product that you are promoting. So you can use this free software to create your funnel as well as your email automation. And if you are a beginner, then I highly recommend you to start with this software. And if you want to get access of this free software, then check the link in the description below. So this is the complete tutorial on how you can build your landing page for free. And now if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And I forgot to tell you that if you are also a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study that will show you everything that I am doing inside my affiliate marketing business and getting commissions. You can find the link in the description below to get the free affiliate marketing case study. See you in the next video.